I was reminded of this truth, that God is never late, and that even when he says no, he's being good to you. And that even when he says wait, he's being good to you. And that sometimes God would love you so much, he'll make you wait for another season while he's perfecting your character, perfecting your faith, delivering you from idolatry, so that he can hand you a multi-million-dollar investment and it not become a god to you. God has not forgotten about your prayers. No, he has not forgotten about your tears. Those who sow in tears, a season is coming where they're going to reap with shouts of joy. And what we are reaping right now is the shouts of joy.